channel. So today I really wanted to almost clear the air for myself and my YouTube channel. A lot has been going on in my life lately and I really wanted to tell you guys. So with that being said, grab a drink and let's roll. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I post new fitness videos, new travel videos, new lifestyle videos every single Friday, and I really hope you guys would join the community, and it really means the world to me if you go ahead and like this video, if you like these type of chit chat videos. Honestly, I feel like I am so scattered right now. I don't know. Hi buddy. Hi. You want to make an appearance in my video? Going off of what I was going to say, I feel like I am so scattered right now, and first things first, I just wanted to make this video. I wanted to make it real and raw. Like honestly, I am not here to put on like a different face just because I am on the internet and in front of the camera. Like right now, I haven't even brushed my teeth yet because I am drinking coffee and I don't have any makeup on, and that is completely okay because I believe in just being your real, honest self. And that is what I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about today with carbs, diets, working out, the gym, everything like that, because I just want to put it all out there. You guys may have seen my videos where I was on the keto or Atkins diet, and if you're not familiar with keto or Atkins, that is when you are on a really low carb diet. Like I'm talking low carb, like 20 grams of carbs a day. I was really passionate about that for a while, I feel like, and you guys may have seen my video. I'm gonna link it up here, or is it up here? I don't know, up here somewhere in the cards, that I did a strict 10-day diet and it was full keto. I did so good, I was feeling great. But I really wanted to tell you guys that at this moment in time, my lifestyle has changed. And that is not to say I typically don't pick low carb options, because I definitely still do, but I've come to the realization that I was overtraining and under eating. I honestly started figuring that out a couple weeks ago when I was so nauseated and lightheaded, and to be completely transparent, I just thought it was because it was that time of the month and I was about to have my period, but I realized that it happened like a week after it and like way before it. So there was no way that I could be feeling the hormones of my period like the whole entire month, if that makes sense. So I started thinking like, okay, like what am I eating? Like maybe I'm intolerant to something and something is like not sitting right with like my body. And the other thing is, when I was on these really low carb diets, I would get Charlie horses in the middle of the night because I didn't have enough potassium. And if you're not familiar, potassium is what you find in bananas. In that video, I did talk about how bananas were 27 grams of carbs just in like the single banana. So that was another thing that I wouldn't eat, because obviously my diet was only 20 grams of carbs a day. So obviously I didn't eat bananas, but then it really started taking a toll on my body because I was doing these like really intense cardio HIIT workouts and under eating. But it really became a problem when I started feeling sick. Like I started feeling nauseated and lightheaded, like I just said. And it got to the point where I was going out to dinner with my family and I almost like passed out in the restaurant because I didn't have those nutrients that my body needed. The purpose of this video and why I'm telling you guys is because that I believe that your body is amazing and it tries to tell you things even when you're not exactly looking. We have to pay more attention to our bodies because they really are a wonderful thing. And just a disclaimer, because I know I'm going to be asked this, I am not completely against the keto or Atkins diet. I still love the diets and they work so well, but this is just specifically for my body, my lifestyle right now, and the style of training that I'm doing. I need more carbs into my diet. So the changes I am making into my diet, I am incorporating more complex carbs such as bananas, sweet potatoes, quinoa, oatmeal for sure. I try to have oatmeal like 5 days a week just because it gives me so much energy, because I do train 5 to 6 days a week and I need that energy. But the most important part of my diet are, hold on, let me get it, bananas. Oh my gosh, these things are amazing for your body. You have to remember that when I say I'm going to be incorporating more carbs into my diet, they are good carbs, good nutrients for your body. So I'm not going to be going out and eating pizza or donuts. Guys, I don't want to give you a false reality. Like, obviously I'm human and I go out, I go on vacation and I have an ice cream, but I always eat it in moderation. So don't think I'm like this perfect individual who like never eats a carb, because I definitely do. So I don't want you guys to get that impression. But there is just such a big difference between the good carbs that nourish your body and the bad carbs that don't, such as donuts. Like, you really can't compare donuts and oatmeal, because oatmeal is giving you the good source of energy for your workout, for your day, whatever you may be doing. And going along with that, I have incorporated more strength and weight training into my everyday gym life. So I'm really excited about that, because I feel like there's a really big misconception with using weights. To be honest, I'm really not trying to bulk. I am just trying to get stronger and more lean. There is a big difference between weight training and like cardio. So what I'm trying to do now is less cardio, more weights, getting leaner, because as you may already know, or you may not, once you do strength training and weight session workouts, you burn more calories throughout the day. Like, yes, if you're doing cardio for an hour, you're gonna burn an insane amount of calories, like 400 to 500 calories. And with weight training, I feel like you don't feel like you're using as much energy, because it's not as tiring necessarily, but you burn more calories throughout the day. So that's kind of confusing, but that's the truth. So that is currently my plan and what you can expect from me. Guys, I don't want you to be like, oh, you were just into the keto diet, you were eating low carb, and now like you're switching your routine and what you're doing in the gym. And that is not at all it. I am on my fitness journey just like you guys may be, and I love trying new diets, new styles of training and all that. Like, I'm still really into HIIT and plyometric workouts. I am doing the Kali.alexandria program. If you guys haven't seen my video on that, I will put it in the cards here. But I'm still really into my HIIT training. I honestly don't want to bulk. I just want to build leaner arms, build leaner legs, and see my abs more. And weight training is so good. So I'm going to start doing that maybe 2 to 3 times a week. I'm not saying that I'm never going to do cardio again, because obviously, like, I love cardio, I love walking, I love running, I love going on the elliptical. Like, a lot of people don't like it, but honestly I love it. So I'm definitely going to continue, but just not as much as I used to. But yeah, so now that I'm like switching my style of training and my diet, I want to share that with you guys. And I just want to give you a heads up, because obviously I don't want you guys to be like, oh, I thought you didn't eat carbs, because I'm human. Obviously I do. But if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to leave them below. I love answering you guys' questions. And if you did like this video, give me a thumbs up. And again, make sure you subscribe, because I upload every single Friday. And of course, follow me on Instagram too, because I am super active on that. And I think that is all that I really wanted to discuss today in this video. So I will see you guys next week. Bye.